Okay, so this is checkpoint 9. Just because if you're behind, I just figure you can use all the checkpoints that you can get. Sorry about not having them on earlier ones, but here we go, moving forward. So here we are given this information. So AC is the same thing as AD. AB bisects CD. And we want to prove that ABC, triangle ABC, is congruent to triangle ABD. Every proof always starts with given. Then BC is the same thing as CD, and that would be definition of bisect, because that's what it said. AB is the same thing as itself, is reflexive. So now we have side, 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 so it's congruent by side, side, side congruence postulate. Dun, da, da, da. Okay, next one. So we have this rug. Pat is made of triangles as shown. So if we know that AB is 3, AC is 5, and CD is 3, CE is 5, what more information do we need? So we talked about AB and CD, AC, and CE. So we need that bottom one. We need to prove that the BC is the same thing as DE. So BC and DE. There we go. Next. Okay, truss is shown below. Needs to be made up of triangles. The length of AC is 4 meters, and the length of BD is 3 meters. Which measures need to be known to determine if the angles are congruent? So we don't necessarily need to know the length of AB because we would just know that both triangles share AB. So we would want to know, so that we were given AC and BD. We would not want to know, let's see, we had CD, that's not necessarily going to help us. BC, yep, we'd want to know that BC, and it should be the same thing as BD. So BD, BC, good. And then AD, we want to know AD. That was 4. Let's make sure that's what matches what they had. 4. Yep, there we go. Okay, use this. What series of transformations correctly maps triangle ABC to triangle A prime, B prime, C prime? So if I look here, as I go around in a circle on the blue one, I get A, B, C. So it's going clockwise. If I go this way, A, C, B, that's backwards. So that means there was for sure a reflection. To me, it looks like it was a reflection across the y-axis. And then I also see that A right now is A prime is 3 points lower than that one. I also see that A is already 2.2 units away this way and 2 units that way. So there was only a reflection across the y-axis and 3 down. So reflection on the y-axis, 3 down. Let me double check. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, good. Then, so a reflection and a translation have been applied to triangle ABC such that AB coincides with DE. Side BC coincides with EF and side AC coincides with DF. So if they are all there, like if they were on top of each other, then we can look at the thing. We have 1, 2, 3 tick marks. 1, 2, 3 tick marks. So what's true about angle C? So angle C would have to coincide with angle F. So angle C coincides with F because the respective sides that form each angle coincide, right? Because C is made up of 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Then that looks like it's it. The respective sides that form each angles coincide. Yep, that would have to be it. Okay, last one. What statement about triangle ABC and DEF is true? So it looks like, let me see, 3, 2.8, 2.2, 3, 2.8, 2.2. So that looks true. So we can't have that one. We can do that one. They all have the same sides. So I would say that's true because of the side, side, side congruence postulate. Okay, there we go. Do that and you shall get a fantastic score. All right.